So I sit with my little tablet at home into the heating app, and I have the heating in 4 pots. So each one of those can be set at a different time for each different group. It's straightforward and simple. And I get a little graph for each day as to how many pounds it costs me for each room. So we're saving money, and we can have the temperatures we want, when we want, and now it just runs like a dream.
Using the HEATAPP system has been great because it means we've been able to set different zones in the church, so different parts of the church could be heated even though it's one big open space, and that's been very successful.
If I want to change the heat in the hallway, in the kitchen, I can totally control that. I'm not very techy, but it's quite an easy app to use and to edit and to control.
The app is extremely reliable. The heating comes on and goes off appropriately, and we are thrilled to bits because we actually get the heating when we want it, and we've had absolutely no complaints.